One, one car out here. One car man out here too, blood clot. Maybe I have to get something for breakfast. That's why I have to go out. It's my neighbor, you know. Yeah. Out that nippy. Yeah. Blizzard weather. See it out on the street again. Show no where I go on. Yeah, and I road is not start clean it too. Woo. Yes, yeah. It's cool. This is screwing. This is screwing. I'm happy. What type of weather is? It's crazy. Yes, guys. Yes, guys, I'm telling you. Storm weather, man. You go with winter jacket. Test it out, you know. Look at that, guys. Yeah. It's crazy weather. Hope everybody be safe out there. Remember, dress really warm. 3 socks, 3 shirt, long johns, gloves. Yeah, man, it's really cold, guys. It's not a play thing. We'll still have to get the morning walk going, you know? Still have to get the morning walk out. Never give up, dog. Them place out there go and chill. Yeah, hide my eye from the snow, you know. You know, like when rain fall like they at Jamaica, and you got hide on the tree. To rain or fall, yeah man, hide me eye from the snow. One, one car out there. One car man out there too, blood clot. Maybe I have to get something for breakfast. That's why I have to go out. It's my neighbor, you know? Yeah. Out at nippy. Yeah. Yes, guys.